State lawmaker wants to ban law enforcement from wearing masks during an arrest. He calls it a threat to public safety and civil rights.
Well, those in law enforcement see it differently, including ICE agents. They say masking is one way for them to protect themselves and their families. Fox 17 News' Hope Salmon's now live downtown at the state capitol with more on both sides of this argument.
Representative Justin Jones's bill would make it illegal for law enforcement officers to wear masks in the name of safety. But I spoke to law enforcement officers who say it's not necessary to see their face because they do have identification. It's called the Stop American Gestapo Act, a new bill introduced by state Democrats to force enforcement officers to not only drop their masks, but wear visible identification on their uniforms during arrests.
This idea of anonymous extrajudicial police forces that will empower human traffickers, empower people who have nefarious interests, empower people who are vigilantes is something that is a danger to us all.
Representative Justin Jones says this move follows reports of masked ICE agents carrying out arrests and detentions with no way for the public to confirm who they are. Jones shares reports in some cases in South Carolina, North Carolina, and Florida of people impersonating ICE agents.
If this van pulled up outside of your workplace, pulled up outside of your university, your school, if this pulled out outside the street here and said, get in this van, people would think that a kidnapping was going on.
Supporters say it's a necessary step towards civil rights protections. Opponents argue agent safety is important to consider too. Retired FBI agent Chris Hinkle says advancements in facial recognition technology could endanger officers' safety during sensitive operations.
I have been unaware of any time in my 25 years in federal law enforcement that my face was my identification. It was always my credential number, my badge number, my employee ID number, the uniform that I was wearing.
In a statement from ICE, a spokesperson says the masks are optional, but that, quote, ICE law enforcement and their families are being targeted and are facing a 500% increase in assaults. If you're concerned about law enforcement impersonation, experts say you should ask for a badge number to verify where the person works. If officers are executing a search warrant, time is of the essence and the courts will review the actions taken. Representative Jones is expected to present the bill in the next legislative session. Reporting live in Nashville, I'm Hope Salmon, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.